Hello everyone and welcome back to one of my videos. My name is Ron and today we're diving into the Salesforce Field Service. So it's one of the most powerful tool for managing field operations, whether you are in utilities, telecommunication, healthcare, or any other industry that requires on-site service. So Salesforce Field Service can help you to streamline your scheduling, dispatching, and work order management process. Right? We will look into everything here. Right? So why does this matter? I mean, you have to schedule and dispatch technicians to job based on availability, skill set, and proximity, right? So why does this matter? In industries where field service is critical, inefficient scheduling, dispatch, or work order management can lead to missed appointments, delays, repairs, and unhappy customers. Salesforce Field Service bridges this gap by automating workflows and providing actionable insights. Now that you know what Salesforce Field does, let's explore its core features, right? So on the top right side corner, there's a try for free. You can just go there, right? And you can just create an account here. That is pretty much easy to do. You have to just enter your name here, right? And there's a job title. So let's say I will just write here job title and just go and click on next, right? Now you have to answer some of this frequent question which they ask here, right? And just go and click on next. Here you have to enter your email and password and just go and click on submit. Here you can find the key features of Salesforce Field Service. So, the key features are, let me show you, the scheduling and dispatching. The field service scheduler allow you to assign jobs to technicians based on skill locations and availability. You can use the Gantt chart view to visualize schedules and make adjustment in the real time. You can automate scheduling with optimizing engine, which consider factors like travel time and job priority. You can create detailed work order that includes instructions, requires parts, and safety guidelines. Attach related documents such as a manual or schematics directly to the work order. Track progress and capture signature upon completion for the proof of service. Now, technician can access the schedules, work order, and customer information via the field service mobile app. Enable offline functionality so technicians can continue working even without internet or connectivity. You can maintain a centralized database of customer assets. You can link assets to work order for context aware servicing. You can use dashboards to monitor key metrics like first time fixed rate, average response time, and technician utilization. You can leverage AI powered insights to predict future demand and optimize resources allocation. You can send automation notifications to send customers about appointments, confirmation delays, or completions. You can allow customers to provide feedback post servicing, improving overall satisfaction. To harness the full potential of Salesforce Field Service, let's set up your environment. So you have to just go to the setup, then just go to the apps, app manager, search for field service and enable field service lightning. Go to the app launcher and open dispatch console. Customize the console layout to dispatch display relevant tabs such as a service appointment, resources, and work orders. Under setup, go to the field service setting resources and the technicians as resources, specifying the skills, territories, and availability. You can build reusable template. You can integrate with other tools such as you can connect Salesforce with tools like Einstein Analytics for predictive insights, sync with inventory management system to track parts usage and replacement needs. You can schedule and dispatch jobs. So there's a console which is called dispatch console. So click on new service appointment, enter details such as a customer name, address, and issue descriptions. Use the optimization engine to automatically suggest the best technicians based on criteria like proximity and skill match, right? So alternatively, manually drag and drop the appointment on technician schedules in the Gantt chart. One assigned, send an email or SMS notifications to both the technicians and the customer confirmation the appointment. Right. So if the technician become unavailable, simply reassign the appointment to another resource, update the customer with the new timing details to avoid confusion. Right. And this is it. This is pretty much easy thing to do. Right. And if you found this video, this information video, I know this is not a practical one, but yeah, if you want a practical one, let me know in the comment box below here. I will just make a practical one. Thanks for watching this video.